You can create a really sturdy A-frame for your climbing vegetables in these 6 simple steps. The first step is to mark out the ground. You'll need 2 lines about 2 foot or 60 centimetres apart, and then holes for the canes at 1 foot or 30 centimetre intervals. You can make these with a metal spike. Step 2 is to drop in the canes. We're using bean sticks, but you could equally well use bamboo canes. So push them in the ground so they're in pairs and angled slightly so they cross over at the top. For step 3, you need to tie together the 2 endmost canes about 4 foot or 130 centimetres from the ground. Then lift in the lower supporting pole and tie this in along the length of your frame. If you had a longer run than this, you might need several of these lower poles overlapping each other. Step 4 is to drop in the upper supporting pole and secure this very tightly by tying it to the lower one. Step 5 is to add the final stability by putting in diagonal braces. You do this by using 2 poles tied in diagonally so they form a cross shape. And again, if you had a longer run, you might need to repeat this lower down. The 6th and final step is to run a hoe through the soil where you've squashed it a bit flat, and then the finished product will be the strongest and sturdiest A-frame you could ever wish for. For more tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and follow our blog at the3growbags.com.